What's up guys? Today I'll be showing you how to hard reset your PS5 controller. So if your PS5 controller is acting up, not connecting, and you can't even get into your PS5 to do a soft factory reset, you can hard reset the controller to get it back to working. Now what you need for this is a pin, but if you have a SIM ejector tool nearby, that should work perfectly. So what you want to do is turn over the PS5 controller and look for this little hole right here, this one, the round one, not this one, this one. This is a microphone, so make sure you don't use that. You're trying to use this round hole next to the Sony logo. Alright, so what you want to do is place the pin or SIM ejector tool into that hole, just like that, and press it, and you'll feel the button clicking, and you want to click and hold it in there for about 5 to 7 seconds. So and then let go, and that's it. You have now hard reset your PS5 controller. You can now go ahead and connect it to your console or to whatever device you want to connect it to. Thanks for watching and good luck.